In this video tutorial, we will show you how to complete the initial load from SQL Server to Postgres and establish a change data capture using Striim's Flow Designer templates. First, we will set up your initial load application to move all your existing data over from SQL Server. To get started, we will go to the Create App page in Striim. You can search for the correct source, in this case SQL Server, and target Postgres. Select the appropriate template in Striim's Flow Designer. Name your initial load application and click Save. Configuring SQL Server as a source requires your IP address or hostname, port, username, and password. Once these are validated, you will select which schemas you are going to move and any associated tables. Now that you have your source configured, you will configure your Postgres connection. The same information is required when setting up your target. Name your target and include the adapter name, hostname, username, and password. Next, Striim will ask you if you'd like to migrate the source schema over to the target automatically and to verify permissions to be able to do so. Select the blue Yes, Migrate My Schema, and Move Data button to begin the migration and watch as the initial load is completed in real time. Now we will start the application and can watch as the initial load is completed in real time. Our Striim application progress screen shows that more than 9,000 events have been moved from SQL Server to Postgres. We can validate our data directly in Postgres to confirm that our data has successfully been migrated. Now that you have completed the initial load from SQL Server to Postgres, we will create a change data capture application. You will need to follow many of the same steps you did for your initial load application. Create your application using Striim's Flow Designer. You can search for and select the appropriate application template to make this process even easier. Just as with the initial load, you'll need details such as the URL, username, password, and table names. Simply follow the instructions on the screen to complete the configuration steps. Next, you will deploy and start your application. Depending on your initial setup, Striim may ask to confirm the table mapping. Click the eye icon so that you can preview your data stream while it's running. Now, in your source, you will run a query to show that no new events have occurred. Then verify that in your target, Postgres. We will simulate events being inserted into the source to show that the application is moving events over to Postgres via a continuous connection. Watch as we make several changes to the data set and see as the data is moved over to Postgres. In this video, you have seen an initial load and change data capture applications from SQL Server to Postgres created and running in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching.